Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making delicious Aloo Bhindi ki sabzi. So without any further ado, let's begin. Heat a kadai, add enough mustard oil for frying aloo and bhindi. Bring this to a smoke point like so. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down, and mustard oil is ready for cooking. First add the potatoes. Here I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes cut in finger shape like so. Add little salt and fry till it turns slightly crisp. Do not brown it much, a slight crisp should be good enough. Now keep it aside. In the same oil add the okra. Here I have taken 250 grams of okra. Add a little bit of salt and fry till it turns slightly brown like so, and keep it aside. Now let's prepare some masala. For this I have taken 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander stems, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 3 teaspoons of chili flakes, and crush all this very well and keep it aside. In the remaining oil, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once this splutter, add a teaspoon of jeera. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Add the grounded masala and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the onions. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion cut into bulbs like so. Saute till the onions turns translucent like so. Now add the fried okras and the potatoes. Give it a nice mix. At this stage, we will add the dry masalas. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a nice mix. Cook it for a couple of minutes. Now close the lid and cook for 30 seconds so the vegetables can absorb all the flavors. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and that's it. Our delicious Aloo Bhindi ki sabzi is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed with some dal rice or roti of your choice. Hope you have liked the recipe. Do try this. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.